Hi, I'm Jenny with Cocoa Daisy, and in this video we are unboxing the Journaling Kit, Deluxe Journaling Kit, and Stationery Kit from the September 2025 Chapters of September collection. How about a look at the Journaling Kit? This kit is designed to add little bulk to your pages. So the items are all fairly low profile. So if you use a bound notebook or planner, or if you prefer just not to have bulky items on your pages, this is a kit for you. This kit includes 2 sheets of rub-on transfers, and they have different designs. They're so cute. You see there's decorative elements, but then there is also like the days of the week, weekend, and then just different sort of headers for lists or things like that. We also have stickers that are on our Vellum sticker paper. So again, these are a little bit thinner than traditional paper stickers. These have the days of the week and the date. There is this super cute decorative sheet, another decorative sheet that also has the washi strips at the bottom. And then there are 2 full sheet stickers. So if I were to peel this off, the whole thing comes off. It's great for cutting up for different uses. I like to cut like a corner and put it on the corner of my pages. I see people using these exactly as they are and just putting them on a layout. This is the other one of those full sheet stickers. And then there is also a sheet of alphabet stickers as well. These are really, really fun to use and fantastic in like Tomoe River paper and things like that. There are also this 4x6 card, and then on the back there are journaling prompts. There are 10 of them. So if you need a little bit of a jump start of what to add to your journal, this is a great resource. And then last but not least, there is a roll of washi tape, and it's so beautiful. It's got like an ivory background and then these beautiful florals. So this is the journaling kit, and you can subscribe to it on our website. Now it's time for our Deluxe Journaling Kit. This is a really fantastic kit that is incredibly popular, and it comes in our heavy-duty folder that has a Velcro closure. It's great for storing the kits, but also for taking them on the go and adding different projects, things like that. So this kit is jam-packed full of stuff. Let's start with our papers. There are so many of them. It's incredible. Okay, so we have 3 large pattern papers. These are also the same as our planner kit. They are 13 and by 8.5 inches, and they are double-sided. This is our heavy-duty, beautiful weight paper. These are produced somewhat locally to Cocoa Daisy headquarters using recycled papers and recycled inks. They're just absolutely stunning. They're so pretty. All right, then there are 2 pattern papers that are exclusive to the Deluxe Journaling Kit. There is this light blue sort of ledger paper, and then on the back is this beautiful green. It's so cute. It just makes me smile with the flowers on the side. And then there is also this sort of pink ledger paper, and then on the back is this geometric, kind of a beige-ish color. All right, then we have this. It's very luxe feeling. It's got an embossed floral design. Hopefully you can see that. It's so pretty, and it just has this really smooth and lovely texture. And then last but not least is a gold foil polka dot vellum. It's so pretty. So these 4 sheets, these last 4, the 2 ledger and then these 2 right here, are exclusive to this Deluxe Journaling Kit, and you won't find them in any of our other kits. Next up is our 2 sheets of rub-on. So first up is this one. So cute, isn't it? And then we also have this one. Both of these sheets of rub-ons are included in our journaling kit. All right, then we have a sheet of PET stickers. I love PET stickers. They're super vibrant and pretty, but they are so thin. I love that. Look how cute all of those are. This sheet of the PET stickers is not exclusive to this kit, so you will find it in our other kit, including the planner kit. Now we do have some sheets of Vellum sticker paper stickers. These are the same stickers that are in our journaling kit. The Vellum sticker paper is a little bit thinner than traditional paper stickers, so they add a little bit less bulk to your pages. So we have some days of the week and dates. We have some decorative elements and then little washi strip type stickers. Some more of the same with different designs. Then we have a couple of sheets of full stickers. So if you peel this off, it is just one large sticker. I like to cut it up. Some people use them as they are, just use the whole sheet on different pages. They're really fun. And then last but not least, a sheet of alphabet stickers. We have a 4x6 card, and on the back there are 10 journaling prompts. You will also find this card in our journaling kit. We have a sticky notepad. Look how cute. It's like a library, like the due date card. And like I said, it's sticky notes and this in this beautiful light blue color. Then we have a cute little stamp. It's just like this little lined texture. It's very, very cute. And it is unique to this particular kit. These little distressed lines, like I think they just make such a fun background. So great. Then we have a package of adhesive die cuts. These are also found in our planner kit. Cute little floral. So not only do we have all of those really cute decorative stickers, we also have some large tabs which make wonderful, dividers, not dividers, but like different sections of your journal or planner, and they have different patterns from the collection on them. They're fairly large, they're bigger than the ones that are included in our creative kit, and have a little spot for writing whatever it is that you want to write on there. So that is also included in those die cut self-adhesive ephemera. Now the last thing in our Deluxe Journaling Kit is this roll of washi. The background is a light green, and then there is just a really cute floral pattern. Hopefully you can see that. It's so cute. I absolutely love this roll. There's something about the green background and then the color of all of the stickers on here. This kit is also very, very popular. So when you look to check out with it, if it is sold out, make sure to tap notify me, because you will receive an email when it comes back in stock, and then you'll want to jump right on that because it does sell out quickly. Despite this is the Deluxe Journaling Kit, and you can see more and subscribe on our website at cocodaisy.com. The Chapters of September Stationery Kit is a really fun one. There are a lot of goodies that I think you're going to really enjoy. So let's open them up and take a look. I'm going to start with the 2 sheets of paper. One, and this one is obviously not paper, it is a clear overlay with a beautiful floral pattern on it. And then we have a sheet of vellum. It has this light blue, medium blue pattern on it. And we have a sheet of beautiful PET stickers. If you're not familiar with these, they are very low profile. They don't add hardly any bulk at all, but they're super pretty and quite vibrant. All right, we have a very fun postcard this month, and it is printed on like a heavy-duty watercolor type paper. It's got texture to it, and it actually operates as a real postcard. So if you'd like to send it in the mail to a loved one, you could definitely do that. We have 3 sheets of stickers. So we have one that has days of the month on them. We have one that has some washi type strips, although this is regular sticker paper. And then one that has some decorative stickers, some teapots and some little tags from tea bags. Super cute, right? Look at this little sticky notepad. Isn't this fun? So sticky notepad, and it's got this beautiful shape to it. And then obviously the cute little florals. How about the die cut vellum stickers? So you peel the back off and then just stick them directly to your project. Let's take a look at these. We've got some large floral clusters. A pile of books. Flowers in a little pot. All right, so we've got this little guy. He's so cute. Just one little singular flower, a teapot, another little flower, a teapot and a teacup, another little flower, and a last little teacup. Cute, right? Okay, so then we have these really fun die cut stickers on a roll. So you see we've got all these stickers on this roll. This is where they repeat to. Hopefully you can see all those. And if you take a look, you just pull them right off. So even this one right here, like it has a little bit of an edge. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's very cute. And it's just a little sticker. So we have that roll of stickers. Then we have this really fun little patch. I love these little tea boxes that are included this month that have flowers growing out of them. This one says Calm Down Chamomile. So cute. All right, so now super fun. Here is our little pin. It has the pin backing, so if you wanted to put it on a bag or a shirt or whatever, you absolutely can do that. Or you can remove the little pin part. It pops right out. And then in our store, we sell these very large paper clips that have a magnet on top. And then you can attach that to this large magnet. It's very large. You can see right there. This card is 4x6. So you can get an idea of scale of how large that clip is. Again, you can buy the clip in the Cocoa Daisy store, and to attach it, you just remove the mechanism on the back. And then last but not least in our stationery kit is a wood stamp. Look at that. Any of you used wood stamps back in the day? So you've got the cute little teacup, and that is also part of this stationery kit. So now you can subscribe to the stationery kit on the Cocoa Daisy website.